yeah. You gave me the time to put it on the line for you. Know that you've been waiting, but I don't have the balls. Don't know what I'm scared of, maybe I'm just scared of us. I know that you're perfect, so run before I fall, cause I don't have the balls. I don't have the balls, I don't have the balls, I have no testicles. I'm playing. Never felt this horrible. Doesn't help, you're adorable. Every day I'm learning more things that concern me. Ordered you a white chariot. Here's my heart, go bury it. Can't lock the door, but I found my home. Learn to breathe, but you'll see me choke. It's simple, don't get close, you'll put yourself at risk. I'm different, commitment to me is a bag of shit. Hope one day I'll grow up, tackle these opportunities, but we'll be on a different avenue. We'll be on a different avenue. You gave me the time to put it on